going.
Yeah?
Yeah, here we are.
All right. Well, first of all, it's an incredible setup. I'm impressed.
Thanks.
Yeah, good slide.
Yeah.
Hell of a use of the pano head.
Thank you.
You're using the Ronin M that we're about to sell as a tripod for a light stand.
Yeah, you got lazy.
Yeah. Well, it looks great.
Yeah.
Not the point. The
what
point
are
of
we
today.
Yeah.
The point of today is to discuss the brand spanking new DJI RS2. It was just released yesterday, day after Amazon's artificial holiday, capitalizing on everything that they did on Wednesday. Yesterday, Thursday, DJI announced this, and today, Friday, we have one. They're sold out everywhere. It is the evolution of 2018's Ronin S, and it is better in almost every single way, from the motors to the carbon fiber to the artificial intelligence built into it, not only in the screen, but in its ability to gauge and measure focus, to measure light. And I think it's going to change the very nature of what it means to be a videographer forever. So I think we should cut it open and see what the hell's going on in there.
Let's do it, dude.
Yeah? All right, we got a scalpel. And just gonna ease right on in here.
Scalpel's on par, by the way.
Ha! Just want to do a little cut. I don't want to cut anything. Let's go. Oh yeah, this is raw as hell because the plastic's still on. So you know, we didn't do a soft open to practice. Yeah, never before seen here at Red Play Media. Shit.
Alright, I just got your screen. I'm gonna try to turn this around for you so you can see what the fuck.
We're in. All right. So first, we have this protective foam to protect
You should.
it. And secondly, we have what I will say is the best packaging I have ever seen out of the box from DJI. That is a hell of a bag. What else do we have in here? We got some manuals and some more foam. In my pocket. It's a hell of a bag. Let's see, what do we got? We got a zipper pocket that you could put stuff in. I want to marvel at that for a moment. That's really nice presentation. Nice material. And I've had bags from them before, and they were, frankly, kind of dog shit. The Phantom 4 bag we got from them is awful. Bad zippers, bad design, clunky. With every iteration, DJI just seems to get better and better in every regard, on every level. They just constantly polish their product, and I think they're making things that every other tech company wishes they could. I'm not a Chinese bot. All right, we open her up. See what kind of tools we got. All right, so this appears to be the follow focus. We did have a version of this for the Ronin S. It was about 3 times the size. It was a little clunky, a little bulky, and it seems that they have polished it quite a bit for this iteration. But the next thing is these gear rings. This is to put on a photography lens. Typically in video with a cinema lens, you would have these that allow a follow focus to someone off camera to pull focus for you. So they're a little bit thicker, and these are okay. I think Edelkrone makes these far superior. These are all done by hand, and what sucks about that is, I'm going to wrap this thing around my lens and put it in something like this. With Edelkrone, you have an Allen wrench. You can actually tighten it, and you know it's never going to come off. But with these, it's I don't know, the rail for that to live on. So I guess something like this, and the plate. I'm really teasing out the actual reveal of the Ronin. I'm just seeing what kind of accessories we got here. Oh fuck. Solid metal. This is the Raven Eye. This is the video transmitter. So it's got these little antenna on it, and this thing it's got heft. It's serious. Let's see. So it's got USB-C, and yeah, it's a little router. So this will transmit to supposedly, I don't know how many devices, but all right. stand up
Here
for
we
this. Let's see what we got here. So, set our accessories aside, our Raven Eye. And, let's see. So we got a new tripod that our staff will take off of everything that they touch.
I will.
We have, oh, look at the phone holder.
Oh, nice.
So you can put this, clip this on the
See you,
side.
Manfrotto.
Yeah, adios. Plastic though, I mean, you feel the difference in the way they manufactured some of their materials. I guess you don't need much more for a phone holder, but it would have been nice to see the same quality across the board. And we have our battery. And finally, we have our mount. So, that does it for this piece in the front of the bag. We have foam. There she is. The Ronin RS2. Wow.
That's sick.
It feels significantly lighter in a way to the S, which it is, but simultaneously it does feel like a generally more polished, better crafted product. The lines are cleaner, the manufacturing is cleaner. It just feels like they're finally where they started out hoping to be. Okay. We have more foam, and that wraps this part of it up. From everything I'm seeing right now, this is an incredible product, and we're very excited to dig in more.